Okay, now I want to talk about the GI and how to create illumination for interior design. Usually Houdini is not used for create archways, and usually is not a need, for example, create the interior and lighting with interior, but you can use it without problem also for create your interior. And for create the lighting inside your interior, you need to create the GI. In the previous videos, I talk about the GI like this, and I say also you can use the environment light for create your illumination. It's not totally true, because the environment light, yes, we can help you for create the indirect illumination, but the GI is the better, because also for interior, because help you to calculate very fast the GI inside Houdini. For exterior we don't see, but for exterior you can use the environment light. We can use in the first video of this chapter, and is comfortable use the environment light without the GI, because you can use it more faster for create your system. Also we have here, for example, the caustic light. The caustic is another effects we can use it for example, metal material and for glass material, glass or refraction material like water, for example. But I don't want to talk about this in this time. I want to start it with this scene. It's a new scene where we have the room, and the room I want to talk about. I want to spend 2 minutes on it, and this is I started with the box, and after I move it, I change the sides, I edit with the poly, and the final result is that. More important in this case, the normal. You need also to apply the normal for make sure all normal it's okay. I have 2 windows here and 1 windows here, so we can have a good effects for lighting. And this is my sheen I use it. Usually I use the similar sheen in my tutorial when I work with another 3D package for design. And here with my camera you can see here, and this is the point of view we have. It's very classic point of view. And here we have the camera with the side, the height is 1.7. It's usually in architectural study, it's the point of view you can apply for human usually it's 1.7 or 1.6 or 1.8. It's more, but the classic subject is 1.7. And here in the view, okay, the resolution, but also the focal length. You can see we can come back in our view, and if I change, for example, to 15, is not take the windows, and I want to take also the windows, so I can put 30 or 45. Yes, it's better. Also the aperture of your, if you change to default, it's 41, and some line is very strong line, and you can correct this. For example, you can apply 30, can help you if you don't have a more strange line is very extreme. I don't know, because I never tried this in Houdini. There is some software can help you with the camera for correct the line, for have the it's called, for example, camera correction, and you can help for don't have the strange line in curve effects, but or this is, we can see in this example it's okay that. And now we can talk about how to create the setup for interior. Maybe you don't use that in your life of FX, but maybe it's interesting understand how to use the GI inside Houdini with the interior chain.